Okay, so yeah, I have the 2012 Toyota 4Runner, and in this car, see now the engine is running, and you see the maintenance required light has turned on. The maintenance required light is a reminder to change or to replace the engine oil and or filter. In some instances, you might just replace the engine oil alone, or you include the filter. Now that has been done, the engine oil has been replaced. So you see the maintenance required light is still on. So now my task here is to turn off that. There's also another light, the check engine light, which is also an indication that there is some other thing wrong that needs to be checked. But for now, I just want to reset, just want to turn off this maintenance required light. And to do that, for this model of Toyota, this is 2012 Toyota 4Runner. For this model, to do that, first, now this is the trip stroke odometer. It's right at this corner, right at this corner where my finger is. This is it. Now you see the display, it's on the odometer. Now to reset, to turn off that light, I'll have to take it, press the reset the trip button to trip A, and now I'll have to also to turn off trip A, that is to reset trip A. Okay, to reset the maintenance light, first you have to reset trip A, that is to say you have to make trip A 00. Okay, the last trip I made with this car was on trip A and it's 17.9. Now I have to wipe out that. Now to wipe out that, I'm going to press and hold that reset button while it's on trip A. Press and hold it. You see, it has turned to 00, meaning trip A has been reset. Now that's what I'll be working with. Okay, trip A has been reset to 00. So next, turn off the ignition, remove the key from the ignition. Now next, press and hold the odometer stroke trip button, the reset button. While pressing and holding it, insert the key into the ignition and turn the ignition to the on position. And now at the on position, the engine is not running. You will not crank the engine. The on position is just 2 steps. So you insert the key into the ignition, turn it 1, 1, 2. See, the dashboard light comes up, and then you hear that beeping sound. Now that is the on position. Bear in mind, like I said, the engine is not on at this position at this time, at the on position. So that's how you reset it. So I turn off my key. First, look at where my finger is. It's on the button, the trip stroke odometer button, otherwise called the reset button. Now I'm pressing and holding it. Insert the key into the ignition. It's on the on position. Keep pressing and holding it. Okay, so it goes off.